So today I'm going to show you how to create custom promotions on your Airbnb listing. Now I have the app here in real time, so I'm going to take you step by step to show you exactly how to do this. Now I'm going to be off screen here so you can just follow along directly on the app itself. And currently we are on our iOS device and you can see we're toggled over here to our home tab over here that says today. Now, what we actually want to do is go to one tab over that says our calendar and tap on this. And this is going to take us to our current date, which is as of this recording in February, and we can see all of our listings. Now, in order to add a promotion, we want to go to the top right-hand gear icon over here and tap on this. And that's going to take us to our pricing tab. And if we actually go ahead and just scroll down a little bit, you're going to see where it says promotions. And we currently have one promotion as of this recording here, but we can go ahead and add another custom promotion. So I'm going to show you how this works. So we're going to go ahead and tap on add another custom promotion, or you can click the right-hand arrow to it. And that's going to take you back to your calendar. Now we want to scroll down to where we want to have this promotion. And you can see some of the blacked out dates. Those are going to be the dates that maybe either already have a promotion, or if you see the black bars, that's where people are currently staying. So maybe we want to get a promotion kind of kicked off here in between some of these empty dates here to get some filled in. So we can choose the date we want to start and the date we want to end. Now, there are some limits on the time frame you can do this, of course, so make sure that you could see how we can't go past a certain date once we click one option here for. So if we clicked on the 17th, for example, here, you could see we can only go all the way to the 30th. But if we click on the 21st, we only have all the way down to the 4th of the following month. But maybe we don't want to go all the way that far to give this promotion. We just want to go till the 30th because maybe this is a slower time in our area. So from here, we're going to click on select dates. And that's going to take us to this tab over here. And it's going to give us some options and this little toggle here to give some promotions and percentage discounts. Now, here's the biggest thing. So you actually get certain promotions based off of the percentage that you go with. If you do anything between 1% right over here, you can see you get a new line item on your price breakdown. But if you go to the next tab over, which is a little hard to do with this thing over here, with I believe it's 10% or higher, right over here, you're also going to get a strike through style on your search pages and your listing. If we go to the next section here, and I believe it's like 15 or so percent, you're going to get special callouts on your listing. And then if you go over 20% or higher, you're going to get the final little bonus over here as well, which is placements in emails to guests. So this is going to give you additional exposure that you wouldn't get if you don't go at least over 20%. Now, it is going to show you what your price ranges are going to be based off of your original, keeping in mind that if you have discounts for a weekly stay or a month stay, those will accumulate on top of this. So just something to be aware of. So we want to make sure that these numbers are looking good for us. If that is, obviously too much, lower that percentage. So if everything looks good here, you want to get all 4 benefits and that 20% works out for you, we're going to go ahead and click on apply promotion. And then from here, you're going to now see that new activation. You're going to see how many views this is going to get and if any bookings become of it for having this promotion active. Now, of course, if you need to edit it or delete it, you can just click on the edit button and go through the process to either change it or completely remove this promotion. Now, I have more to show you when it comes to utilizing your Airbnb app as a host, and we're going to post that next video right over here for you so you can keep on learning and growing when it comes to running your Airbnb business.